Hello, I'm Mike from musicradiocreative.com. In this video, I'll show you how to import a sequence directly from Premiere Pro into Adobe Audition. So here we go, something I've been working on in Premiere Pro. Just going to load this up now. Notice I dragged and dropped a Premiere Pro project file. Now I can select the sequence that I want to edit the audio for, like so, and bring it up. Give it a second to open all the files, and you will get a native multi-track with all of the audio files and video files from Premiere. No copying of audio here. This is the stuff extracted directly from the video that you've been using in Premiere Pro. So remember the old way of using dynamic link and rendering and all that crazy stuff? Now it's as easy as opening a Premiere Pro project inside Adobe Audition. Going to make a few edits to show you how this would work. So we'll do a few fades there and maybe a fade here. We might use the new feature in the latest version of Audition to trim the out point there, for instance. Or maybe that was a little bit too enthusiastic. Let's do it over here as well. Trim the out point. Okay, cool. Cool stuff. Right, now, hang on, let's make sure that's all perfectly aligned. Perfect. Okay, now we got that looking good. We want to maybe work on the voice.
I'm Mike from Music Radio Creative.
And I want to add a little bit of EQ to this. So let's do so. Let's add a very nice parametric equalizer with a lot of high end. So let's whack on the high end.
Hey, I'm Mike from musicradiocreative.com.
And just to demonstrate a little bit further, we're going to add on some reverb here. So studio reverb.
Hey, I'm Mike from Music Radio Creative.
No doubt a lot of native Adobe Audition audio effects going in. Save this, Command or Control S, and we're going to absolutely just save this out. You can choose the format. Now, of course, you don't want to save it as an Adobe Audition session. That's very important to remember. So what we want to do here is we want to go to Export, and we want to export it to Adobe Premiere Pro, and then you can do everything that you want to right here. So you can mix down the multi-track session if you want, or export each track as a stem. But the main thing is, here now, you are working with a native Adobe Premiere Pro files. Even Dynamic Link is being used down here to pull the video through from your Premiere Pro project. So a much easier workflow, really, to get to grips with editing audio directly in Adobe Audition, which is designed for editing audio. If you want to make your audio sound good on your videos, save out your Premiere Pro projects and do the audio editing in Adobe Audition.